All right, let's see. Jordan versus Bird. Let's check it out. I know this is probably awesome back in the day, right? In 1988 back in the day. Then we should press start. Oh, okay. Oh, graphics are okay. Let's see, one-on-one full game. Let's do it. Oh, that's select player. I'm assuming Jordan is first player, Bird is second. Play to 11, computer level 1. Okay. Files, let's know. No. I just press select. Oh, okay. That's good. Let's try it. Whoa! Am I doing computer? Oh man, do I? Oh, you know what? I probably have to do the second players because it says 2 instead of computer. So let me just plug in another controller. So I'm just basically playing with myself. Oh, clock violation. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go do it. Is he gonna do the same move every time? You know what? Let's just hurry up and go. Traveling? Oh, you cannot press it A too much, okay? It's always like, this 360. Moves like it's terrible. Oh, he didn't make it. Let's try it. Try it again. Oh! I'm gonna try it then. I'm gonna keep dunking every time. So you do not press A again just to release the shot. Just shoot it. It does it itself. Well, John has 10 already. Let's do it. Come on, you're a bird. You can't shoot the 3. There we go. John can shoot the 3, right? No, he cannot. Let's try bird again. Oh, look at that. Just like 2 shots catching up. That's it. I want to try to play against a computer. Game over? What? Whoa. Psych. I don't. Is it first to 21? Whoa. He's really good. Man, basically I can dunk from anywhere. Oh, he's been sinking like 5 in a row. Wow, the mechanics and physics of this game, I don't care where you jump from. I'm about to tie it. Oh, wait. I don't have to go back. No, I don't. Shoot it right away. Oh my god, did he win? Oh no, he didn't. It's gotta be 21, right? What's up, dunking now? What's up? Oh, hold on, can I end? Oh! Let's do full game. Oh, here we go. Okay, let's do it. Dang. Computer's level 1. I'm still gonna lose. I gotta dunk it every time. Dude, I jumped. Oh, man. Whoa, why were you not dunking? Here we go. This is a game right now. Dang. Why am I always shooting? Where's that dunking thing go? Do I have to be super wide open? Oh man. I'm just catching up. There we go. Oh shoot, I jumped. Why are you always jumping right here? Why are we not dunking? Man. Oh, as if I just blocked him. Okay. Here we go. Got 2 minutes, right? Just whoever make the most. If I block him, he can't go anywhere. Okay, I got you. I'm just gotta wait for him to miss. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Did he get stuck? The shot clock is about to go down. What? Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. I got him stuck and he still made the 3. Oh no. I'm gonna lose to computer on level 1. And I had to shoot these shots and not, you know. What? We played to the end of time, right? There's no way I'm gonna catch up now. I should pick bird. Oh man, there's no way. He's only up 7. I would say the game is a little bit racist, but I don't know back in this time in '88. I'm just gonna keep dunking it. So let me get this straight. If I pick the 3-point shooter, Bird's gonna win, right? And if I put the slam dunk contest, that's racist. Woo! Oh, that's it. That's it for me for this game.